Hey child, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm bored and I'm gonna do my hair. I showed you all on my community tab my current stash. Now what I did not make clear is that is my stash after I have donated, given away to family, thrown away the expired stuff. That is the stuff I want to keep because I actually enjoy it. And so here's the thing, I need to use this stuff up before it expires, and so I picked random stuff to see if my hair like it. Will it work together, honey? I'm just wasting time because I'm bored, you bored, Rona in town, might as well do it. So the things I'm focusing on in this video is this twist butter from Texture ID, their Coils collection. This twisting butter is so freaking bomb. It is so buttery. It has a nice hole on its own. I think it's amazing. However, now that I'm 100% natural again, I need a little bit of extra hole, so I pulled out my baby mama. You already know who it is. Wetline. Wetline just gets the job done. So I'm gonna have the shine, the buttery slip, the moisture, and just all the goodness, the buttery goodness of this, plus the hole of this. Let's see if it's a match made in heaven. In addition to that, I pulled out random stuff just to go ahead and prep my hair. So I'm going to use this African Pride pre-shampoo. Did y'all know they raised the price on this? This originally was like $5.99. Now it's like $8. Y'all like this so much, they done jacked the price up on us. Next, I'm going to use this Camille Rose Cleansing Milk to cleanse. The Shea Moisture Purple Rice Water to deep condition. And I need a leave-in. I forgot about my leave-in. What I'm going to use? Boom, let's do right here. TGIN leave-in. Honey, I'm just mixing and mashing and whatever else. We just wasting time, just have a little fun, because honey, I'm bored. Let's get this video started. Ow! Hey, child. Right, I won't spend too much time on like the prep items, which is just like the pre-shampoo, the cleansing, and the conditioning, just because these are all products that I've demoed on the channel before and I already know that I like them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and breeze right through this. This is the African Pride Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle and Condition Pre-Shampoo. When I used this the first time, I was texturized and I enjoyed it. So I know for a fact I would like it more that I'm natural. It's kind of slimy or whatever. So let me go ahead and put that in there. Ooh, that feels good. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and slap this on in there, honey, and leave it on for about 15 minutes and we shall return. All right, and so I'm back. I went ahead and washed my hair with the Camille Rose in the shower because, honey, I need to take my bath for the day. Hair clean, booty clean. Let's just go ahead and apply this. This is the Shea Moisture Purple Rice Water Mask. This is how much is left after all this time because, honey, I really do like it, which was surprising to me because between us, we friends, right? I've never really been a fan of Shea Moisture, so the fact that I'm in love with this really surprised me. All right, so let me go ahead and apply this. I love that it smells good. This was way too much, but whatever. Them curls kind of busting. And I'm gonna tell you something. I don't regret Tex-Laxing last year. I do not. It was just a state of, you know, I was going through something and it reflected in my hair. But when I tell you, I have been loving the way my curls have been looking. I'm like, child, where you been all my life? Okay, so let me go ahead and put on some Samantha. Hey, child, hey, child, hey, child. Woo! Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit for about 30 minutes. No, I'm not. Probably closer to 10. I don't know, child. I'm gonna let it sit. I'll be back. Conditioner has been rinsed. Last thing before we get to the star of the show, let's get into this leave-in. It is the TGIN Miracle Repair Protective Leave-In. I really do love it. So I'm gonna just take some of this. Why do I be using so much? Child, I ain't got but a pinch of hair. I don't need that. But this is what we're gonna do, because honey, the Saints don't waste no money. Let's just scoop you right on in there. Okay, thanks. All right, take this. See, really didn't even need all this. So what I'm going to do, y'all already know the drill. If you're new here, child, get help. Put your cap back on top of your leave-in. I promise you, it'll change your life. I'll be back. All right, so my hair has been detangled, sectioned off, and it's time to start styling. So these are the stars of the show. I just want to see how they go together. I think it should be good because so far Wetline has blended pretty well with everything that I've used, and I think this should go well with it. I really just like this. So what I'm going to do is torture myself real good. So I am going to try twisting this part of my hair for the first time. If you're new here, I did a big chop a month ago. Listen, torture. So I'm gonna coil this part of my hair just so I can have a faux taper look. I need a professional cut, but you know, again, Rona, I can't get to the barbershop and I ain't finna let nobody come to my house and cut it. So I got to, you know, fake it till I make it. So I'm gonna leave this part flat and just let this be lifted. It'll make sense in the end. So let me show you what I'm working with. Okay, so let's start with this section. So what I'm gonna do is take some of this butter and just put it through this part of my hair. Oh my goodness. Can you see how it's clumping already? Oh my goodness, that looks good by itself. So, oh, child, do you see that? Oh my goodness. I'm so obsessed. So what I'm going to do is actually section this off just a little more. And I'm gonna take some Wetline. Put that on top just to give it the little extra hold that I'm looking for. Oh my goodness. Do y'all see what's going on here? Listen. Do y'all see this? Honey. Oh yes. Okay, so I'm gonna just take this comb just to kind of like push the product through a little more. Yeah. Okay, so, child! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yes, that's gorgeous. As long as this dries without flaking, this is definitely going to continue to be a part of my regimen. I really like the way that's looking together. So what I just did there, I'm gonna do it all around the bottom portion of my hair, and I shall be back. All right, so I just set the curls. I'll separate and stuff later, but this is what it looks like. In love. Okay, so this portion of my hair, this is why I'm going to torture myself. I want to elongate this as much as possible. So I'm actually going to do a twist out on this little bitty hair. So pray church. So I'm going to take some of this butter. I'm going to take this gel. And now this is the part where I torture myself. Why am I doing this to myself? Why? Why am I doing this to myself? Why? And I ask why? Why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? Alright, so you get the gist of what I'm doing. I'm going to go row by row and twist coming towards the front. I'll be back! So my twists are now installed. This really has to dry cute because I put way too much effort in twisting this little bitty piece of hair. So with that being said, it is actually late at night. I'm actually gonna go ahead and go to bed. And I'll be back in the morning to show you my dry result. But my hair right now feels incredible, like super moisturized. I love the shine of it. And I just can't wait to see what it looks like once it dries. So I shall see you in the morning.
The next day.
I'm back. It's next morning. Let's go ahead and get this hair together. I know I look real interesting. I already know. But I put some bands right here to kind of stretch the twist. So this is what my hair looks like on this side once it dried. I haven't done any type of separating, but this is how my hair dried down. I think that's a really good thing. Let's see. Woo child. So I got some of this African Pride oil. Just put a little bit in my hands. Try to prevent my little frizz. I'm gonna go ahead and take these down. All right, so I did my separating. Now I'm just gonna fluff just a little bit. So here's the finished results. My hair is soft but has hold. My hair has shine. Oh, wait a second. Icing on the cake. Hold on. Now it's finished. So with that being said, my hair Feels amazing. Has hold, has shine, has softness. It feels good to the touch, and I feel like it looks good, like even in the twist out and the wash and go. I really do like my hair. So this right here is actually a match made in heaven. Now kiss. So that's the end of this video. I really just did it because I was bored. So yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I will see you next time. Bye, honey.